Race number 1, good luck on your winner take all. Gates open, that up and racing. Steny Saviorum draws for your lead. Kidneys Magic, Purple Ribbon is running by the row, followed by Bruno Scott, Naga, and Appointment. Heading towards the half mile pole. Steny Saviorum in command by about 2 lengths. Purple Ribbon now running in second by the row. Kidneys Magic is on the outside, fighting back, catching the second spot as they rounded the 600 with Steny Saviorum still in control by about 2 lengths. Kidneys Magic remains in second. Purple Ribbon is by the rail, and into the home stretch, Steny Saviorum still leading the field. Purple Ribbon out to take second. Kidneys Magic, and out the stretch they come with Steny Saviorum. Kidneys Magic is on the outside. It's Steny Saviorum by about 3 lengths, followed by Kidneys Magic, Bruno Scott, and finally Steny Saviorum, Kidneys Magic, Bruno Scott, Purple Ribbon.